Major exchanges should relist XRP. So right now here in the States, it is fairly painful to try to buy XRP, right? You used to be able to buy it on crypto.com, Coinbase, a bunch of others, and they have all been delisted. Additionally, though, we have a precedent set with Library when the SEC, when the case against the Library, went Library's way. So we have a precedent out there now that's out there. So the exchanges should relist it. They should make it viable, easier now, available to us here in the States to be able to buy XRP. And this is something that I've been wanting to talk about for quite a while. There's other influencers, on YouTube and crypto coming out and talking about this, like, BitBoy Crypto, Ben Armstrong has mentioned this. There's other people that I know have been talking about it. And this is one of those, it's really irritating to be here in the States and to not be able to buy XRP. And so this is something that I think that they should do. So if I have any type of voice that you guys have given me, thank you, by the way. I want to use that voice to say, hey, if anybody from, a major exchange is watching this, why not relist XRP? Give the population that wants to buy it the ability to buy it again, right? And it's a situation now where I think there's a lot of fear and uncertainty on the exchanges side, which is why they're not doing this, because they don't know which way the settlement's going to go. Although we're hearing, right, that it's going to go, obviously XRP's way. So I just wanted to kind of get that off my chest, right? What do you think? Drop in the comments below.